There he goes. Look out! Look out! Whoa!
Holy cow. Well, this afternoon I was supposed to handcraft both of your new birthday gifts, but this is your new gift.
Yay!
How do you like it? Thank you very much. Okay, let's get to the sticker on. So here's the deal. All these bozos, all day long, they say, Sandy, you don't have a rod, you don't have a reel, you can't find a thing, you don't know how to do a screwdriver. Well, guess what? The lawnmower breaks. And guess who fixes it? I still want to see you get this thing back together. Guess who fixes it? Uncle Sanford. Yeah, take a look. I ruined my best, what's the label on this? To say, LL Bean. Tommy Hilford. Tommy Hilford, who's Tommy Hilfinger's brother. So
now what do we do?
You have some redeeming. Put your foot behind there. So